Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. There is a lot we want to cover, so I think we're going to go ahead and just get started. I'm Rachel. I work on the marketing team here at ButterflyMX, and with me today we have Frank Freehill, who's on the technical solutions team. Great. So it looks like there's a few people here who have attended some of our previous events, but just in case you're new or aren't familiar with ButterflyMX, I'll do a quick intro. ButterflyMX is a complete access control solution typically installed in multi-tenant buildings. In fact, we're currently installed in more than 10,000 multifamily, commercial, student housing, and gated communities across the country. And our products allow property staff and residents to manage access on the go. And we host this monthly event to dive into our individual products and features, as well as educate you on the specifics of the products, like what problems they solve, and of course, how to install them. So today, Frank will be discussing an overview of our front desk station. So take it away, Frank.
Thanks, Rachel. Hey, everyone. Like she mentioned, I'm Frank. Today, we'll be talking a little bit about the front desk station. So decided, let's just start with, what does a front desk station do? ButterflyMX's front desk station serves as an all-in-one solution for each of the property's front desk tasks, even if someone's not physically stationed at the front desk. It provides visibility over buildings' entrances, and it allows staff to easily communicate with residents and visitors, all while enhancing the building security. Over the next few slides, I'm going to explain how our front desk station empowers users to efficiently manage visitor access and resident communication right from the front desk, or anywhere a user has an internet-connected computer. So we'll begin by talking about the added visibility that the front desk station provides. We know that managing the constant flow of people coming into a property can be challenging. Whether it's a resident's guests, delivery people, or really any other type of visitor, our front desk station provides a real-time video feed of the ButterflyMX intercoms installed throughout a property. This allows the property to monitor all entrances, and they can talk directly with visitors, even if they haven't initiated a call first. We even provide the ability to tailor the view by selecting a specific ButterflyMX video screen to focus on, so the user can prioritize whichever screen necessary to best communicate with visitors and allow entrance through a click of a button. Now we can look at the communication. To enhance communication with the residents at a property, our front desk station can call or message them directly through the ButterflyMX software. When a resident is selected from the directory, the front desk station provides several options. It has the ability to initiate voice calls for residents through the mobile app. It can send text messages, or we can engage in in-app messaging. At any time, the property can access all call activity and interaction history between the front desk and the residents. When it comes to security, the front desk station has everything covered. To ensure that everyone entering the property is authorized, it can verify guests' access permissions for any door or gate by using our virtual key feature. By installing a visitor-facing external camera at the same computer as the front desk station, visitors can quickly scan their resident-issued virtual keys, validating their credentials before they're allowed to proceed further into the property. The front desk station also enables property staff to easily unlock any ButterflyMX-controlled door, gate, or elevator with just a click. This means that the property staff no longer needs to provide temporary credentials or escort visitors throughout the property. Instead, they can monitor live video feeds and unlock just the access points necessary for visitors to securely navigate your property to the destination. And to ensure that the staff has visibility into every door, gate, or elevator access event, an access history of time and date stamped photos from all ButterflyMX devices installed at the property are stored at the front desk station for review. This access log can be easily filtered and searched based upon the access point or by the resident. Lastly, let's talk about how to set it all up. One of the great features about the front desk station is how easy it is to introduce to a property. It can be added to a property already using ButterflyMX or a brand new building just the same. Because it's all software-based, there's no additional ButterflyMX hardware to purchase or install. All that needs to get done is a quick call to our support team, who can configure everything for you quickly and efficiently. In just a matter of minutes, the front desk station can be set up and ready for use.
All right, well, it looks like we're out of time, so thank you all for attending today's webinar. If you have any questions or would just like more information, feel free to give us a call or reach us at sales@butterflymx.com. And if you're ready to start receiving exclusive benefits and pricing, Visit butterflymx.com/dealer-program to join our industry-leading dealer program. Again, thanks for joining and have a great day.